Step by step, let's explore how to use Shodan effectively within Kali Linux. We'll walk through the essential steps to get you started. If you're diving into cybersecurity, this tool is an absolute game changer. It offers unique insights into the connected world. Shodan is essentially a search engine, but instead of websites, it indexes internet-connected devices. Remember, it's crucial to use this tool ethically. Only scan devices you own or have explicit permission to check. First, ensure your Kali Linux system is up to date. Run the update command. Next, install Python 3 and pip if they aren't already installed on your system. This is often a prerequisite. Now, install the Shodan command line interface, or CLI, using pip. To get started, create a free Shodan account and then find your unique API key at account.shodan.io/register. Now initialize Shodan with your API key, configuring it for use. Let's try a basic search to see what Shodan can find. You can refine your searches using filters like country and port to narrow down the results. Shodan is a powerful tool for securing your own network and understanding the threat landscape. But always remember to stay ethical and responsible in your usage.